What's up, everybody? It's your boy Pit Crafters. We're back with another Cookie Clicker episode, and I actually don't have my auto clicker on today, which is some quite interesting, actually. But I've noticed we had gotten a bunch of freaking cookies and those sweet, sweet sugar lumps. Anyways, we're gonna see if we can get some stuff going on here. Let's see if we can get some stuff moving. Is that what I want to say? I noticed I can get one of these, but it'll blow like all my money, though. Is it worth it? You know what? I'll just get it. Dude. Oh my god, dude, I just blew all my money. But dude, we're making a billion. That's even like 61% of our work. Wow. Guys, that is amazing. Maybe that was worth it. Oh, hey, you're still here. Oh, yeah, I'm still here. Anyway, we're gonna get this portal power up. Now, if my math is correct, or if I'm correct, if this portal is making 24 million, and if we put that 2 times as efficient, it should make like 44 or 45 million cookies. Let's see if I'm right. 44 or 45 million. 49 million. I'm really bad at math. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just terrible at math. It's fine. We'll see if we can. No, I don't think I can do that. We'll see if we can pick up 20 of these alchemy lamps. Oh, spending all that money, guys. It was always worth it. Grandmas are twice as efficient. Alchemy lamps gain 1% of your produce per second. Sure, why not? You just like blow our money anyway. We get that bank one as well. So why not spend our money? Get the cookie multiplier. You've been on this run for 27 days. Ascending now would grant you that much. Okay, so we got 3 achievements. We're doing pretty good. So like, yeah, we don't have the auto clicker on today, but we should be good, guys. Oh crap! I have to try to click without making any sound. It's what the heck? We're not doing that today. Nope. Wait, hold on. I can remember, like, yeah, I remember this had a touch screen. Can I just like click on the cookie? Yeah, I can. Okay. Because I know like my mouse is like completely idle after that. I know like. Oh. Yeah, my mouse is like completely idle after that. Baking cookies is my favorite thing to do. No, it's not, because I just lied to you. But lying is a sin. Excuse me. Hehehe. I totally did not just do that on my purpose. But it's fine. Ah! No, I leveled up grandmas. I did not mean to do that. I'm stupid. I am a stupid little one. I honestly do not know what to do on this game. It better not be getting this boring after the few balls. So we have unlocked this antimatter condenser, which is doing about 50% of our work, which that is amazing. I just need to get like portals or something to like 5. But I can tell that this is probably not gonna happen because you know me in portals, right? So yeah, it's gonna be. I wish my freaking thing would not do this. I wish it wouldn't. I wish it would stop. I wish it would step. You know? My mouse is going crazy. Dun dun na 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 da. Clicking the cookies, clicking cookie, clicking a cookie inside of my heart. Oh wait, there's a guy cooking. Go cooking. That was like. There's a golden cookie. And I will get wizard towers. No! I can't believe it. Wizard towers. They broke my heart. Yes, I will definitely, catch you guys in the next half because, this got really stale after a bit, so catch you guys in the next half. Okay, so, like, I decided, like, hold on. Just a second. Gotta switch the headphone angle. But, I just decided, like, while I was waiting for, like, more cookies or whatever to pop up, I actually just got, like, an idea. Like, why don't I just do some achievement hunting since I've only got, 72 achievements at my time. So we're gonna see if there's, like, a cookie clicker achievement forum or whatever, something that can help you, like I can know what to do to get these achievements or whatever, or what, like, but, I need to see if there's, like, a cookie clicker forum, so I'll catch you guys in a bit. I'm gonna be searching online, see if I can, find a forum that could help me get achievements, because we need achievements just to rise up that milk, and the more milk was, like, will help the kitten helpers produce more cookies per second, and it's just that chance, so catch you guys in a bit. Okay, guys, so I just remembered something. Like, I've been, like, looking on the Cookie Click Achievements forum, or the fandom forum, or whatever. Hold on, let me pull up that. Okay. But I've been looking on those Cookie Clicker fandom forums where, like, it tells you what achievements and how you get them. Like, we'll take this one for an example, the Guild Wars. Have 100, like, it tells you what to do. Like, have 150 alchemy labs. And then, yeah, that's something. Also, like, I noticed that, like, I can't really do anything for these right now, but cool. I have 100. I already have 100. So, like, I know I'm about to get, like, 200 cursors, then I'll get this achievement called the Digital. But what I've noticed is that when I come back over here on the Cookie Clicker site, it's not gonna let me. Like, so, I need 20 cursors till I can get that achievement. Cursors ain't doing jack squat. So, I decided, why not, instead of, like, doing an achievement hunting, like, if I can, like, try to work out, like, I don't even know what the heck these are. But, whatever it is, it's, the buffs, I don't even know what that means. For summon a random golden cookie, each existing golden cookie makes the spell 50 more to backfire. That sucks. Summon half an hour of your cookies per second. Trigger a 15-minute clot and lose 15 minutes of CPS. Well, geez, that sounds terrible. 2% cheaper for 1 minute. Upgrades are cheaper. Are they really, though? Yeah, they are, okay. So I can try getting... Wow, so I can actually try to get some stuff working here. What does this do? Upgrades are cheaper. Holy heck. Oh my. Of my summon. We alter this. Okay. Are you freaking kidding me? Sticky keys. Don't you freaking sticky. Yeah, sticky keys, go away. I didn't mean to alter you. So, okay. Yeah, upgrades are still cheaper. At least that didn't backfire. I'm trying to look for one that can help us, like, a lot. Fix a random building you can afford. If you had twice your current twice as current cookies and gives it to you for free. The building selected but must be over 450 cannot be most but one. What's this? Spells backfire 10 times for 5 minutes. Spells, dude, that sounds, I don't know if this one's, I did not mean to do that. Spells backfire 10 times. No, you can't. So is that supposed to be a negative one? Did I just screw this up? Oh, face palm.
Okay, freaking face palm, boy. Face palm.
Face palm, boy. I just said like a face palm. You know, it's kind of weird seeing how. It's kind of weird seeing how like I have like 11 million cookies and I just click like this. It's like, oh boy, I'd be here for a while. It's because of my autoclicker, really. I know. It's insane. So, wait, what is this farm garden or whatever? Seeds. This is like a rolling thing. Baker's wheat seed. 2 minutes. What is this? Freeze. 8% of your garden. Plants no longer grow, spread, or die. They provide no benefits. Soul cannot be changed using effects. What? Wait, what is this? Like, if I drag it, can I drag it? What do I do? Sold, unlocked at Clearing Farms. Oh, so you unlock these amounting to farms you have. So, so we unlocked at 200 farms. It's not gonna be a while. Look at that. Actually, that is gonna be a while from now. No, not this rate. We're in the billions. Yeah, at this rate, it's gonna take us a while to get that much farms. Really, at this rate. And that's the thing that I have all the fun. If you're on the show, you've already won. Dude, what? These grandmas are getting freaking crazy, boys. Oh my god. Okay, so, homegrown cookie. Spawned right on it. I'm still mad about me doing that, okay? Does that mean, like, whatever I do, it will backfire? What's this? Dude, I have, what the heck? What the frick is that? Is that some type of pie face? Someone make a face out of pie in freaking November. And no, not November. Dude, but what does it do? Bag of spirit. Dude, I have no idea what the heck that is. But I am wondering what this does. What are the temples doing? Are they supposed to be like that? How am I supposed to know? 23 what? Well, these would all backfire anyway, so. I've only cast 3 spells before. Stretch time. Does this have anything to do with the time machines? Exactly. Time machines. No, I don't think it does, honestly. Time machines.